Hello everyone, welcome to Canning Coffee. Here we have a breville espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it wasn't producing coffee and the gauge was not moving, and that was basically because water pump was dying and needed to be replaced. So let's just test the machine. We're gonna pretty much start from scratch over here. This is a very fine grind, especially for this machine, and as you can see, it barely is dripping. But it's actually keeping up. Good shot. We also rescaled the machine because we recently used vinegar on to clean it, and you should never use vinegar on a machine, an espresso machine. You can use citric acid or descaler solution to clean it, and for back flushing, I would suggest you to use these. Do I have it over here? These tablets, not sponsored. And these are pretty much standard coffee cleaning tablets that you just put in here with the blind filter, and you just like running an espresso. You just put it in here and press the button, wait 15 seconds, and then release it, and then do it again 5 times, and then redo it again 5 times with just water. There's instructions over here. You actually end up buying it. So I would recommend you to back flush it and to descale once a year, but never use vinegar again. Alright, and now for the steamer. You guys start to build some pressure, and you can finally see it, and you can see it now. Yeah, you can see it working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for playing Canning Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like these every day.